Imagine a genie offers you $100 today or $125 next year. Which do you pick? If you chose $100 now, you've just intuitively grasped the time value of money. Let's debunk a common misconception. More money always wins, not if it comes later. Consider this analogy. Would you rather have an apple today or 2 apples next week? Time matters because money can grow if invested. $100 can become more than $125 in just 1 year. Take inflation. It's like a sneaky thief that reduces your money's buying power over time. For example, if you wait for $125 next year with 3% inflation, it'll only be worth about $120 today's dollars. So, the time value of money is crucial when deciding between a sum now or more later. Think before you leap. Remember, this video educates but isn't personalized financial advice. Money Mechanics decodes how money really works, one mechanism at a time. Subscribe and stay informed.